kuja Binance, then Google Authenticator. For Binance kuja here, then you tap the profile, come to security, then Authenticator app. If you don't have a Authenticator app, you go and download Google Authenticator, but for this one I have, so I enable. Okay, you copy this one, step 1, you copy this one, then you switch to Google Authenticator, you add, enter the setup key, you paste here, paste, then here use Binance, then this one you can leave it here, time paste, you save. So you copy this code, then you come next. The code they will ask you, paste the one from Google Authenticator. Then you're good to go.